हाय हेलो नमस्ते। आज का दिन शुभ हो। वेलकम टू यू ऑल इन अनबु विजय विद्याधारा चैनल एंड दिस इज एनसीईआरटी ग्रेड 10 क्षितिज लेसन 10 नेताजी का चश्मा थर्ड पार्ट. In our first two videos, I explained you how the Halda Sahib used to cross that city, and he used to observe that Netaji was wearing the black broad spectacles. The next day he observed that he was wearing the round wired spectacles, and third time we have to see in this video. Okay, let us go to the video. हालदा साहब की आदत पड़ गई हर बार कस्बे से गुजरते समय चौराहे पर रुकना, पान खाना और मूर्ति को ध्यान से देखना. So it has become the habit to Halda Sahab. Whenever he crossed that city, he used to stand in Chaurahe and he used to see the Murti, the statue of Netaji, what changes has been made over there, what type of a spectacles has been changed over there. So he used to stand near one pan shop. Pan is a beetle. Pan means beetle. आदत का मतलब है habit. So guzarna, whenever he used to cross that city, he stood there in nearby pan shop and he used to watch the statue. एक बार जब कौतूहल दुर्मनीय हो उठा तो पान वाले से ही पूछ लिया, क्यों भाई, क्या बात है? यह तुम्हारे नेताजी का चश्मा हर बार बदल कैसे जाता है? So once his curiosity raised, so he asked to pan wala, he asked to the pan shop owner. So कौतूहल is a curiosity. Okay, it raised durmanya. When it is raised his curiosity, he asked to pan wala, क्यों भाई, क्या बात है? What happened? How your Netaji's chashma often is changing? Okay, he asked that question to pan shop owner. पान वाले के खुद के मुंह में पान ढुसा हुआ था. So he was eating, that time he was eating that पान बीटल. वह एक काला मोटा और खुश मिजाज आदमी था. He was a black colored man and he was a happy man. Okay, the pan wala seems to be a very happy man. He was little bit मोटा, fat. हालदा साहब का प्रश्न सुनकर वह आंखों ही आंखों में हंसा. By listening to the question of Halda Sahab, he laughed in his eyes. He laughed. आंखों ही आंखों में हंसना means his laugh was seeing in his eyes. उसकी तोंद तिरखी. तोंद is a belly. He had a big belly. When he laughed, his तोंद तिरखी, it shook. पीछे घूमकर उसने दुकान के नीचे पान थूका और अपनी लाल काली बत्ती सी दिखाकर बोला, कैप्टन चश्मे वाला करता है. So when he asked that question, he has to give the answer. No, for that he just turned around and spit the beetle from his mouth and he showed his लाल काली बत्ती सी showing his teeth. लाल काली बत्ती सी 32 teeth. Okay, दिखाकर बोला, because it is often he used to eat beetle, no, so his teeth fully have changed the color as a black and red color. Okay, the scare of the beetle. Okay, लाल काली. Captain चश्मे वाला करता है. The captain चश्मे वाला who is living in this city, he used to change the spectacles of Netaji. क्या करता है? What did he do? हालदा साहब कुछ समझ नहीं पाए. He was not able to understand anything. चश्मा चेंज कर देता है. He used to change the चश्मा. पान वाले ने समझाया. He पान वाला make him to understood. क्या मतलब? What do you mean? क्यों चेंज करता है? Why do he used to change it? हालदार साहब अब भी नहीं समझ पाए. Even now he was not able to understand. कोई गिराक आ गया समझो. If any गिराक is a customer. If any गिराक comes to his shop, spectacle shop, उसको चौड़े चौखर चाहिए. He wants the customer wants, if the customer wants a black broad spectacle, तो कैप्टन किधर से लाएगा? फ्रॉम वेयर डिड ही विल ब्रिंग दैट ब्लैक स्पेक्टिकल, ब्रॉड स्पेक्टिकल ब्लैक इन कलर? तो उसको मूर्ति वाला दे दिया, उधर दूसरा बिठा दिया. सो ही यूज्ड टू टेक दैट ब्लैक spectacle from the statue. He used to give that to the customer, and again he replaces some other spectacle to the Netaji's statue. उधर दूसरा बिठा दिया. उधर means there he keep the another spectacles. अब हालदार साहब को बात कुछ कुछ समझ में आई. Now he can understand something. Okay, now he able to understand. एक चश्मे वाला है. There was one चश्मे वाला. There was one spectacle shop owner जिसका नाम कैप्टन है, and his name was Captain. He is imagining all that. Okay, उसे नेताजी के बगैर चश्मे वाली मूर्ति बुरी लगती है. He don't like the नेताजी statue without the spectacle. बल्कि आहत करती है मानो चश्मे के बगैर नेताजी को असुविधा हो रही हो. He feels that is captain. The spectacle shop captain feels that without the chashma, without the spectacle, नेताजी feels inconvenience, असुविधा. नेताजी feels inconvenience. इसलिए and therefore वह अपनी छोटी सी दुकान में उपलब्ध गिने चुने फ्रेमों में से एक नेताजी की मूर्ति पर फिट कर देता है. And hence therefore he used to fit one spectacle frame from his shop. लेकिन जब कोई ग्राहक आता है, but sometime when ग्राहक comes, ग्राहक is the customers. When customers comes to his shop और उसे वैसे ही फ्रेम की दरकार होती है जैसा मूर्ति पर लगा है, तो कैप्टन चश्मे वाली मूर्ति पर लगा फ्रेम संभवतः नेताजी से क्षमा मांगते हुए लाकर ग्राहक को दे देता है. So when the customer is asking the same type of spectacles which Netaji's statue is having, he used to go to Netaji's statue. He says sorry to Netaji for removing that spectacles, and he used to fit another spectacle to Netaji's statue and bring that to his shop and give that to his customer. और बाद में नेताजी को दूसरा फ्रेम लौटा देता है. He used to replace the frame again. वाह भाई खूब, क्या आइडिया है. वाह भाई खूब, what an idea he is saying. He imagined himself. Okay, who imagined? Haldar Sahab. Yes. Let us see in next video whether he had understood all the situations or not, and what reason behind that. This is his own imagination. Okay, but what was the real thing happened in that? Let us see in the next video. Okay, धन्यवाद.